Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 284. And for this column, we're just missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 2, 8. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got the 1 here, so 9, 1. For this row now, we're just missing a 2. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 5. That 1 makes this our 6, 1. For this box now, we're just missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 4, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here and an 8 here, so this is our 4. That 9 makes us our 8, 9. For this column now, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 2. 4 here, so 5, 2. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. Oh, this should not be a 2. What should that be? 1, 2, 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 3 here and a 7 here, so this is our 5. That 3 makes us our 7, 3. That 5 makes us our 3, 5. For this row now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. And for this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.